Hello. There is no doubt 2024 has started on a very wet note indeed. January so far has brought a procession of weather systems from the Atlantic. There are some parts of the UK that have seen close to their average January rainfall in the space of just the first 3 days of the month. But things are set to change. Over the next few days, the jet stream, which has been bringing all of those weather systems, is going to change shape. The jet stream is going to bend its way northwards and essentially leave us in what we call a blocked weather pattern with high pressure in charge and all of the weather systems, all the rain-bearing weather systems, being steered away from our shores. But not just yet. In the short term, some more rain on Thursday across the northern half of the UK, some showers. Further south, yes, some sunshine, but southern counties of England and the Channel Islands turning very wet indeed. And we are going to see some outbreaks of heavy rain pushing across the south of England, maybe fringing into South Wales, and then getting up into parts of the South Midlands and East Anglia through Thursday evening. Could turn quite windy down towards the south for a time as well. But this rain will be falling on saturated ground, so it could cause some further flooding impacts. That little weather system will be clearing eastwards by Friday. Low pressure still just about in charge, but things will be starting to dry out by this stage. So yes, we will see some showery rain, particularly for parts of eastern Scotland and eastern England. Sunshine and showers further west. Temperatures coming down a little bit. It will be turning a little bit chillier, 6 to 9 degrees. That is a sign of things to come. On Saturday, yes, still some showers and still some quite large amounts of cloud around as well. Could be some mist and fog through the morning, perhaps a frost to start the day. But it does look drier by this point. Some spells of sunshine. Temperatures, though, 6, 7, 8, 9 degrees. So, yes, not as mild as it has been. Into the second half of the weekend, well, this is where we see high pressure becoming more established. Remember that blocked weather pattern, the jet stream sending all of those rain-bearing weather systems away from our shores. But underneath that area of high pressure, we will have some mist and fog on Sunday morning, perhaps some quite large areas of cloud sticking around through the day. Don't necessarily be expecting beautiful sunny skies. Could well see 1 or 2 showers grazing the east coast, and some of those could possibly be wintry because the air will be quite cold by this stage. And as we get into Monday, well, our area of high pressure just becomes more strongly established, but particularly around the south of that high, the winds will be starting to pick up, and that combination of those slightly brisk easterly winds and that cold air will make it feel really very chilly indeed. But still a lot of dry weather around. Any showers that do crop up could be wintry in nature. Temperatures just 4, 5 or 6 degrees. And the nights will bring frost. Through next week, this area of high pressure is going to try to stick around. It may be that it wobbles its way a little bit further westwards. That could allow frontal systems just to drop in towards the north of the UK with a little bit of rain later in the week. But for the most part, it is going to be chilly. There'll be some frost and some fog by night, 1 or 2 showers, but mostly it is going to be dry. That will make quite a change from all the rain we've had so far this January.